For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a computer shop business can be a rewarding venture, especially in today's technology-driven world. Whether you plan to sell computer hardware, offer repair services, or both, having a clear roadmap is essential. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline your planning, marketing, and operations, making your startup process efficient and cost-effective. This guide will walk you through each step to launch your computer shop business with the help of free AI, from initial research to marketing strategies and customer service. Step 1. Define your business concept and niche. Begin by clarifying what kind of computer shop you want to start. Will you focus on selling new and used computers, repairing hardware and software issues, or offering peripherals and accessories? Narrowing your niche helps you target your ideal customers effectively. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm your business concept. A useful prompt is, help me define a unique business concept for a computer shop that combines sales and repair services, targeting small businesses and individual customers. This will generate ideas and clarify your value proposition. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your local market demand, competitors, and customer preferences is critical. Use AI-powered research tools like Google Trends to gauge interest in computer-related services and products in your area. You can also use ChatGPT for a competitive analysis. Prompt example: analyze the competitive landscape for computer shops in your city, including common services offered and pricing strategies. This will give you a sense of what others are doing and potential gaps you can fill. Step 3. Create a business plan. A detailed business plan will guide your startup and help attract investors or lenders if needed. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by providing specific inputs about your goals, budget, and target market. You can prompt, generate a business plan outline for a computer shop that sells hardware, offers repair services, and targets tech-savvy customers and local businesses. Then ask for expanded sections such as financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans. Tools like Google Docs combined with AI writing assistants help you format and polish the plan professionally. Step 4. Register your business and handle legalities. Research the legal requirements for opening a computer shop in your area, including business registration, tax IDs, and permits. Use ChatGPT to draft professional emails or documents needed for licensing or to inquire about local regulations. A helpful prompt is, write an email to the city business licensing office asking for information about permits required to open a computer shop. This will save you time and ensure clarity in communications. Step 5. Identify suppliers and inventory sources. Finding reliable suppliers for computers, parts, and accessories is vital for your shop's success. Use AI to help create a supplier outreach email or script. For example, compose a professional email to potential computer hardware suppliers asking about pricing, delivery options, and bulk order discounts. You can also research suppliers through online marketplaces and AI tools that summarize reviews and ratings. Step 6. Choose your shop location and set up your space. The physical location of your computer shop should be accessible and visible to your target customers. Use Google Maps with AI-powered search filters to identify promising retail spaces within your budget. Once you select a location, use AI design tools like Canva or Interior AI to plan your shop layout and create attractive signage and displays. A prompt for Canva could be, create a modern and tech-themed storefront sign for a computer shop named TechFix Solutions. Visual branding is key to drawing customers. Step 7. Develop your online presence. In today's market, having an online presence is essential. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI or Bookmark, which use AI to design websites based on your inputs. ChatGPT can help draft website content. Prompt ideas include, write an engaging homepage introduction for a computer repair and sales shop emphasizing quality and customer service. Set up social media accounts with AI tools like Lately or Buffer to help schedule posts and analyze audience engagement. Step 8. Create a marketing plan. Plan how you will attract and retain customers. Use ChatGPT to generate marketing strategies tailored to your business. A good prompt is: suggest cost-effective marketing strategies for a new computer shop targeting small businesses and individual tech users. You'll receive ideas such as local advertising, referral programs, social media campaigns, and partnership opportunities. Use AI design tools to create promotional flyers, social media graphics, and email newsletters. Step 9. Set pricing and payment options. Determine your pricing strategy based on market research and supplier costs. Use AI calculators like Google Sheets with integrated AI formulas to analyze costs, profits, and competitive pricing. ChatGPT can help draft pricing guides or scripts for explaining prices to customers. Example prompt: write a clear explanation for customers about the pricing structure for computer repair services, including diagnostic fees and hourly rates. Offer multiple payment options, including digital wallets and credit card processors, and consider integrating AI chatbots to assist with billing inquiries. Step 10. Plan customer service and support. Excellent customer service builds loyalty and positive word of mouth. Use AI chatbot platforms like ChatGPT or Tidio to provide automated customer support on your website or social media. You can design conversation flows that handle common questions about services, pricing, and appointment booking. Prompt for chatbot design. Create a chatbot script that greets customers, explains services offered, and schedules repair appointments. This reduces the burden on staff and improves response time. Step 11. Hire and train staff. If you plan to hire employees, AI tools can assist in writing job descriptions and interview questions. Use ChatGPT for these tasks with prompts like: write a job description for a computer repair technician with 2+ years of experience and strong customer communication skills. You can also create training materials with AI-generated guides and checklists to ensure consistent service quality. In conclusion, starting a computer shop business can be manageable and efficient by leveraging free AI tools. From defining your concept and planning to marketing and customer service, AI helps you automate, create, and optimize key business functions without high costs. By following these steps, you'll build a solid foundation to attract customers and grow your shop in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.